Alright, so welcome back to Develpy, I believe it's called. Medium box that fell under the same little bootaroo for fitting B-Sides Guatemala. Let's go ahead and I want to download Ruscan because this guy's taking a minute. Let's see if we can. I forgot how to download it. I know it's not as easy as just like do this, but I think it has a pretty good overview, doesn't it? Which one should I get? Oh, okay, here we go. Now the dev file, dpkg tech I. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. We still only have port 22 over here. Let's go ahead and CD back to there. CD into tools actually. Okay. And from here, we will do a move for downloads. And we'll download Ruscan over to here. And from here, we'll do a gunzip for that Ruscan. And from here, we'll do a tar tac XFF. XFV for, we'll just make it verbose, for Ruscan. I think that should work, right? Does it just go away now? Oh, Ruscan.tar. Okay, it's right there. Alright, I always forget how the hell to untar file. Tar. Tech X. F. Ruscan.tar. Okay, there we go. Maybe it just didn't like. And then can we do CD into Ruscan now? Okay, we can. Alright, that was weird. So let's go ahead and it just said to do a DPK. Let's see here. On the file, so let's go ahead and CD that back. We'll do that on Ruscan. Sudo. Because we still haven't found anything else with that MF scan. It's not a regular file. Okay. Where's the file that wants me to do it on? The make file? Can we just do make? Nope, guess not. Command not found. It's right there. How is it not found? What? It's executable also. Oh, Docker. Okay, I'm just trying to do it in Docker, like right there. Okay. I don't really want to do it in Docker. Not gonna lie. I wonder if we can just do a... That'd be sweet. It's finally in. Nope. Oh, port 22 is still the only one we're seeing so far, so still haven't got anywhere yet. Still keep trying to download Ruscan. kind of a... We'll just put in the damn Docker. And we'll just do this. Hey, thanks a lot for the foul syphaloid. Thank you very much. We'll just do that like right there. And then we'll just keep going on this guy. CD into there. And then it said to go ahead and do a Docker build-tag T your image. Your image name? I don't know what the hell my image name is. Some sweet instructions like right here, huh? Because I don't have a freaking Docker. I don't have Docker on here. Yes. What do you mean by my image name? How is Docker not found? Did we just install it? Oh, I'm starting to see the little issues with this guy. So you said half the time it's doing that. Yeah, we're still waiting on a port scan for this guy up here. That's really what the problem is like right now. We're still waiting on a freaking port scan just to be finished up, because the only thing we have so far is port 22. And that's it. So just trying to figure out what we can actually do with that thing. That map's taking its time, so I'm trying to download Ruscan, but yeah, this WM Docker one says this one's kind of a weird thing. I don't know what to put. I don't know like what it wants for your image name. Let's go ahead and look up how to install Ruscan. Oh, really? It's Docker.io? That's annoying as shit. Okay. Thank you. I was saying earlier, I started laughing because I downloaded the security one, right? Which is supposed to come with a bunch of tools, stuff like that. Didn't have search point on it. I was like, what? And I was like, how are you going to be the security one and not have freaking search point on there? So that one had me laughing. I was like, how? Yeah, I found something. And I was like, oh, let's try to search point this. I typed in search point. It's still red. I was like, that doesn't sound right. But I kind of want to just get this guy to be where my Cali one's at, and I'll probably just hop back and forth between the two, in all honesty. Hey, thanks a lot for follow, Lushnell, because the Cali one is set up pretty freaking good. It has all the scripts in there and everything like that. And I've been moving stuff over, but the Cali one is set up pretty sweet, so it's going to take a minute to move everything over into here and stuff like that. And I do not like on Parrot how as I type, whoopsie daisy, don't like doing that either. As I type right, how it shows up Like all this bullshit down here. Like I don't want to see all that. You know what I'm saying? Story time? Alright. Let's see, you want a funny story, I guess? Alright. Oh, quick thing for everyone that had, it was like 4 people that had like changed the box. I guess I never realized that. I only realized that I missed one of them or whatever. You all got your points back also, just so you guys know. But, alright, story time. Let's see here. Okay, so, when I was a little kid, probably 8 or 9 years old, right? We went out to a camp, right? We were going camping and stuff like that. Okay, I don't know what the hell the image name is. But we were going camping, and we were, I just started learning how to ride a bike, right? And there was this huge hill that went down this creek, right? There's a couple stories that come from this camping experience. So I'm just learning to ride my bike, and I'm going around having fun, you know, whatever. And all of a sudden, I took a turn, and I started to fly down this hill, right? I guess I just started screaming, right? From what my mom said. My feet came off the pedals, right? The pedals are just, you know, flying, and I'm just cruising down this hill, right? Full speed. I slam in the creek, flip off my bike, land in the water, land on the rocks, stuff like that. And I start bawling my eyes out, right? I'm crying and stuff like that, right? My mom comes running down, and she see if I'm okay and all this other stuff. And she kind of picked me up, she said, and she like, are you okay? And I looked at her, I stopped crying, I was like, can we do that again? See, I know I can use bash, but then I don't get the cool autocomplete that I like this. Right? That's the problem. This is my thing like right now is that, like right there. Is I don't get the cool autocomplete. But yep, I guess also from that camp, there was this huge, all my uncles, stuff like that, everyone was there. There was this because I can go, yeah, well, we can, do you know what to modify on it? Because I want this. I don't want this. The plugins. I didn't put any plugins really on here. Oh, no, the only plugin... So, you need the auto suggestions, I think it was. Like, when I got rid of both of these, it still showed that. So, it was like, alright, whatever. Oh, is my username Callie? Because I don't want to remember other usernames. That's why. I don't want to remember more than one. It says this is ParrotOS. Why is your username Callie? Yeah, I got rid of these yesterday because I was messing around with it, trying to figure it out. I got rid of all of these. All the ZSH, all the suggestion, all these guys, and none of them made that go away. They all still stayed there. Maybe one of the Z-style things. One of these little fuckers like right here. Widget style menu select maybe. Let's go ahead and copy that. We'll delete it. We are still on that fucking mmap scan too. Port 10,000. Thank you. Alright, we got port 10,000 just popped up over there. We still haven't downloaded Control X. Yes. Nope. Not that one. Maybe it's the Z-style autocomplete. Let's see. Let's put in one character because it says minimum input 2. Oh, uh-oh. Think we figured out which one it was. Let's go and copy it first. Damn it! Really thought that was going to be it. If that's the worst thing... Uh-oh. I didn't actually copy him. I don't know what that said. Good news is... I can always just watch the stream over again. Yeah, I could just comment it out instead of deleting it. Well, now it's gone now. Whatever. It's gone forever now. Don't know what it did. Oh my god, was that my actual... No, it wasn't. Cool. Okay. Well, that obviously didn't do much. Alright, so we got this port 10,000. Right, let's go to mmap that guy. Mmap TACP 10,000. For this IP address. Obviously need image thing for it. Oh, that's how I did it. Might just do that again then. Okay. Can always get clone again, right? Nope, don't want that one. Wrong one. There we go, we're getting there. We're getting to the right spot. Getting there. Alright, I missed it. Don't know where it is. Whatever, I'll mess with it later. You guys don't need to watch me mess with that. Let's try going port 10,000. How about that? The box is Devil Pie. Oreo Bite. We're doing Devil Pie. Oh, open up a new terminal, see if it worked. Okay. No, it didn't work. Fuck it. I'll just have to get used to it. So, private 0 days. Please enter number of exploits to send. Trace back most recent call. File exploit.py. Name get is not defined. Please enter number of exploits to send. Okay, so it looks like a messed up Python file, right? Control R revert. Yeah, I could did that. Control R. We'll download Rusty later. You guys don't need to stay here and watch me download Rusty all day. So can we put something into here then I take it? Can I not move this over? Is that like not allowed? Okay, that's fucking annoying as shit. 1 second. Preferences. Layouts. No. Profiles. Use system fixed width. That's for font. With font. Scrolling, compatibility. Audible beep, window list flash. Command. These are the little things that I did on Kali. I can't do on this guy like right now. Layouts. Plugins about. I'll have to mess with that guy later on too. Huh. Control Shift arrow keys to resize? Oh, that sounds horrible. Really? Oh, God. I just like dragging. Alright. I'll have to figure that one out so that we can actually drag it more. All right. So it looks like it wants us probably to send a file, and that Python file just doesn't work, right? That's what I would think, right? That Python file, like right there, looking like it's just not working. So I feel like we could just send it an actual file. We need to make a, or should we just send it just a Python file that we have sitting around and see what happens. Let's try to first maybe actually see how to send this thing a file, huh? Hey, thanks a lot for the file. VWI Bizino. Thanks a lot for the file. VY Bizino. Oh, shit. Thanks a lot for the follow, Floric101. Thank you very much. So let's go ahead and just netcat that guy, maybe. We'll netcat the IP address, right? Wee. Port 10,000. Please enter number of exploits to send. 1. Exploit started. Exploit try hack me internal network. Beacons, boom, boom. Okay. 5. Okay, so this is not sending exploits. So, I mean, it's doing something, right? But that Python file looks like it might be messed up. So, maybe we can just send it a Python script, like a reverse shell. Oh, it didn't actually grab that one? That's annoying as shit. Okay, so let's try to... Maybe we can just send like a Python reverse shell. Or we're already in the Python file, right? So maybe we can just send it something like... almost something like what I had earlier. But we're going to try to do netcat this time. So almost something like this, right? But this time we're going to try to do netcat with it. And it should be for Python, right? So we should be able to send it a import OS system. Yeah, I think we're just pinging something, but I think we should be able to send an import OS system and then just do a netcat. That's what I'm thinking, like right there. So we should be able to do something like this, like right here. We should be able to do something like tac or like that. Import. It should be OS, right? OS system, I believe. Should be something like import OS dot system, like that. Import OS dot system, and from here we'll just throw netcat at it, right? If it has netcat, because it's definitely doing something with that. They have OS system command. They do. That is true. On their Python. File. So theirs is, at least I think they did. Oh shit on that one. (26.184) 444. Can I do that? Separate them with I don't think they need to be separate. I think I just need to... I don't think they need to be separated all... Well, first I need to tell what to even call back to me. So we need to say /bitsh. Secondly, I think I need to put this guy in quotes. I think it just needs to do something like that, like right there. Whoops, C-daisy. Yep. Exactly what it was. Okay, cool. So we got in there. Awesome. What should I even call this? Normally put a number. There we go. All right, easy day. So now we're in here. Let's go ahead and cat that user.txt. We also have a run.sh like right here. It's being ran by root. And is that in our home directory? Home king. And who are we? We're king. So yes, that is in our home directory. It's being ran by root. So it might be the same exact thing as what we already did. Let's go ahead and grab that file like right there. Yay! Let's go! You say import OS system. Yeah, same exact. Yeah, that's good. That should have worked too. So if we would have done a, let's try it. I mean, we already know what that one works like right there. So let's try it. Let's hop into there. So we could have did same exact thing we did up here pretty much, right? Except for this time, we're going to do it like this. And then we're just going to say, freaking import OS system. And then we're just going to say netcat attack E 10.13.26.184 on port 4444. Let's go ahead and put that into quotations just in case needs it. Let's go ahead and listen, and we'll send this guy off. Oh, he did not like the import OS. Or if we do something like this. I don't think that's going to work what I just did like right there, but hey. We'll never know till we try. No, doesn't like that either. Okay. Doesn't like that guy like right there. So it looks like it's going to have to be the one that we had from the beginning, like right here. Because he did not like those two. Alright. This is Develpy. Try hack me, DZ. DZ, I also have Parrot up and running just for you. Let's go ahead and cat that run.sh. And we'll also cat that root.sh. Okay, that's obviously what it's doing, like right there. Let's try sudo attack out again, because that worked last time. I don't even have a full shell. And I don't know if I have my SUID bits over here anymore. Oh my god, there's definitely something with one of those two guys, like right there. That run.sh or that root.sh. There's definitely gonna be something with one of those two. And it's seeing our home directory, so we should just be able to just do whatever. So kind of the same exact thing we did last time, right? So let's go ahead and cat that run.sh again. Because we can actually write to that one. I want to actually cat root.sh. root company media star.py, right? We just do a move because it's in our home directory, so we can't write to it, right? But we should be able to move it. We should be able to rename it. We should be able to delete it. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, until we stabilize the shell. Yep. So we'll do that like right there, which, you know what we're going to do real quick? I'm just going to grab it off the internets. This is what we're going to do. Hey, DZ, but you know why? So I have an SMB server set up on Kali, right? And I'm able to pull back a lot of stuff, but some of the stuff doesn't come back through. And even when I just try to just get it straight up, it won't come back. Do you know why that is, or why that would happen? I haven't checked the permissions of the file. I should probably do that first and maybe shut my mouth and just actually, you know, figure it out my damn self. But now that I'm saying it out loud, I'm realizing I have yet to even check the permissions of the file. So come on, a little bit better of a shell over here than what we have like right now. Okay. Check our user. Okay, will do. That might be why. It might just be something like that. But yeah, even yesterday when I was doing it, you did say that you would unfollow if I was using Parrot. You did say that. However, when I got Parrot up and I typed in responder, you know what happened? It worked. It just worked. I didn't have to delete every single thing, even the responder PNG files. But I am hopping back and forth because I don't like how everything shows up underneath. So I'm hopping back and forth between the two. I'm just trying to, you know, I got to get used to this guy before the practical test. We did finish Raw 2. You know why? Well, because I deleted every single thing out of Responder, not because of Parrot. But we would have Parrot, we just got the first time. But yeah, I deleted everything out of Responder. So let's go ahead and Control-Z that. STTY tag A. Okay. We'll foreground that guy again. And then we'll go into a... Oh, whoopsie daisy. That worked fucking great, huh? Messed up. Done did messed up. Oh, I can move it now. Okay. Well, no, DZ, so I did actually get it to work. I literally had to delete every single thing that even made a mention of Responder. And then it finally worked. And you know what's funny though, DZ, is actually, let me send you guys over there. Well, I'll show you guys afterwards. But the SSL client, the little thing that says like, hey, this is messed up. And this is the newest one. This is depreciated. This is the newest one. If you put that in there, all of a sudden 443 couldn't connect again. Without that in there, it was just fine. So there's got to be something within that file that command and what it's actually calling for that's messing it up like right there. There's got to be something in there. All right. So we got this, right? Let's go ahead and get a full shell. That'll be our... We're going to get a full shell. Cool, we got that, right? Boom. Control Z. STTY attack A. Bam. STTY raw echo. Alright, export term. Equals X term. Freaking STTY rows is going to be 18 with the columns of 106. All right. You wanna start one up because this is my 4th box. So I want to hog the streams, and I would love to see you streaming again. That would be awesome. Especially your voice back and everything, that would be awesome. So after this one, I mean, unless you want to see me do napping, which napping yesterday, oh man, I was watching GoPro Slow-Yo yesterday doing napping, right? And I immediately came up with an idea. Immediately. I was like, oh my God, we could type in a, what is it? A URL. And it'll go out there and get it, right? And I was like, okay, we can type in a URL, we'll go out there and get it. And then you could also reset a password. And I was like, oh, we already did that. We made that file, that cat root.sh.back. We already moved that file. We better look at that guy. We're about to make a root.sh. But then I realized then I was like, oh my God, if you can reset, if there's a reset password page and you can tell that guy where to go, because everyone was like, cross-site request forgery, cross-site request forgery. I was like, I'm pretty sure it's reverse tab nabbing. I'm pretty sure that's the exact thing for reverse tab nabbing because of the underscore blank. Even though underscore blank sent me to a new page, I was like, but if there's that underscore blank there and it doesn't have something else, I forget what it is. I was looking it up on OWASP. Sure enough, it's reverse tab nabbing. And so I'm like yelling it in the chat, right? Like yelling it, like, no, it's not that. I kept saying tab, and nobody was getting it. So finally, GoPro Slowly was like, overgrown, like, Carrot, what do you think it is? I was like, I think it's freaking reverse tab nabbing. I don't know if they ended up doing that or not, but I was gonna go through it and try it and see if I could do anything with it. But yeah, so that guy's gotta be most likely be running underneath the cron job, I'm thinking. So if we do a Etsy cron tab, we do have, yeah, he is. So root.sh is running, and so is run.sh. And run.sh we could have actually wrote to. So, oh, that's running as king though. So we definitely want to do root. So let's go ahead and do it. Well, let's run his root over here. Yeah, we'd have to get it in root company. We'd have to go there. Okay. So let's go ahead and do a echo. Well, we can just grab a netcat reverse shell probably. I do have that one. Netcat reverse shell. Do we have a netcat attack on here? Make our lives really easy. Option requires an army. Yes, we do. Make our life super easy, huh? Go and echo that guy. But it doesn't really matter. We're going to echo him. Okay. 4242 into 10, 13, 26. 26. If I could type. 184. 4242 into root.sh. Right? Now let's go ahead and start up a listener down here for 4242. And we'll do root.sh. And now we wait. And we get a callback. ID. And we are root. Let's cd into root. Cat root.text. Alright, easy freaking day. Easy day. Let's see here. DZ, you get on? So that's now 4 boxes finished. In 40 minutes. So, or